We are going to learn about the trigonometry from 10th class. From this chapter we can score 700 marks. Questions will come like 4 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark and half mark questions. Okay, now we can learn about the 1 mark questions. Okay, before that please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, let's start first question. Sin theta equals to tan 45 degrees by sec 45 degrees. Then find theta. Okay, this question we can solve in 2 ways. So let's start first way. How to? Here sin theta equals to tan 45 equals we know 1 and sec 45 equals to we know that is reciprocal of cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so that it becomes root 2, and the sine table 1 by root 2 will come at the sin 45 degrees. So you can write sin theta equals to sin 45 degrees. Sin gets cancelled. Theta equals to 45 degrees. This is the first method. And second method, sin theta equals to here tan 45 we can write as a sin 45 by cos 45. Similarly, sec 45 it can be written as a 1 by cos 45. Because it is the reciprocal of cos. Here cos 45 gets cancelled. Sin theta equals to sin 45 degrees by 1 is the sin 45 only. Here sin gets cancelled and theta equals to 45 degrees. In 2 ways we can solve this answer. Is it defined sin 90 by cos 90? Why? Okay, is it defined sin 90 by cos 90? Why? It is not defined because of sin 90 is a 1 and cos 90 is a 0. Okay, something by 0 is a not defined is always. So that is only our answer. Answer not defined because sin 90 equals to 1, cos 90 equals to 0. That implies sin 90 degrees by cos 90 degrees equals to 1 by 0. That implies not defined. Right? We can write the answer. Value of sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees sec square 45 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees. Okay, this question also we can solve in two ways. So first one is by using identities, and second one is by using substituting trigonometric values. Okay, let us take first by using identities. Okay, here first term is like sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. It is like sin square theta plus cos square theta. It's equals to 1. And similarly, sec square 45 minus tan square 45 is like second identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is also 1. So here I am writing this value is equals to 1 and it is also equals to 1. 1 into 1 equals to 1 only. And this is the first method. And second method is by substituting values. Okay, sin 30 we know 1 by 2, cos 30 is we know root 3 by 2. So sec square 45 is a root 2, sec 45 is a root 2, and tan 45 is a 1. That values we are going to substitute here. In the first term, 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, and here root 2 whole square minus 1 square. It becomes 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 2 minus 1. It becomes like fractions. Like fractions we can add directly. 1 plus 3 is a 4, 4 by 4, and 2 minus 1 is a 1, 4 by 4 is a 1 into 1, that equals to 1. In two ways we can write the answer. Fourth one, evaluate sec 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees. Just now I explained about this reciprocals. Sec is a reciprocal of cos and cos is a reciprocal of sec. If you product them, you can get 1. A number and its reciprocal, if you multiply them, you can get the answer 1. It can be written as 1 by cos 15 into here cos 15. Cos 15 gets cancelled, that is equals to 1. Very simple answer. Find the value of sin 30, cos 45, tan 60, cot 60, sec 45, cosec 30 degrees. Here all are given reciprocals to each other. Here sin is a reciprocal of cosec, and cos is a reciprocal of sec, tan is a reciprocal of cot. Okay, by writing the reciprocals we can get the answer, and another method is by substituting the values also. So that I am taking first method. Okay, here sin 30 I am writing as it is, and cos 45 so I am writing as it is, tan 60 also, and this I am writing as a reciprocal. Its reciprocal is a 1 by tan 60, and it is a reciprocal of cos, so that it can be written as cos 45, and it is a 1 by sin 30 degrees. Here sin 30, here sin 30, cos 45, tan 60 gets cancelled. Now it is equals to 1. And second method is by substituting. Okay, tan 30 is equals to 1 by 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 60 is root 3, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, sec 45 is root 2, and cosec 30 is 2. Here denominator 2, here numerator 2 gets cancelled. Denominator root 2, numerator root 2 gets cancelled. Numerator root 3, denominator root 3 gets cancelled. Finally, it is also equals to 1. In both cases, we can solve this answer. Anyone you can choose. Is cos x equals to 4 by 3? Does it exist? For some, value of angle x. Yes, given cos x equals to 4 by 3 given ratio. Actually, cos ratio is the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Cos x equals to side adjacent to the angle x by hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, at C I am taking x angle and B is a right angle, and here BC is obviously adjacent, and this is the opposite, and this is the hypotenuse. In the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the greatest side among all these sides. So that, but here we are taking the ratio 4 by 3. Cos is 4 by 3. 3 is a hypotenuse and 4 is a adjacent. It is not possible in the right angle triangle. So, we cannot get a cos x equals to 4 by 3 for any angle of x. For any angle x, because right angle triangle hypotenuse is longest side of other two sides. Okay, like this you can write down C. Yes. Okay, such questions also will come. Like reason, Seneca says that sin square 20 degrees plus sin square 70 degrees equals to 1. Do you agree with her statement? Give reasons. Yes, I can agree with her because when apply complement angles, here sin square 20 I can written as a cos square 70 degrees. Cos square 70 degrees plus sin square 70 degrees equals to 1. Here answer is yes. I agree with her because sin square 20 degrees plus Sin square 70 degrees, it can be written as sin square 90 degrees minus 20 degrees, 70 degrees. Plus sin square 70 degrees. Okay, it is like a complement angles. Sin 90 minus 70, it becomes cos square. Cos square 70 degrees plus sin square 70 degrees. It is like identity 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Then it is equals to also 1. Therefore, find the value of sin 30 plus cos 60 plus tan 45 minus 60 degrees. Okay, for this one, sin 30 we have to substitute. Sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2 plus cos 60 is also equals to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is equals to 1 and sec 60 equals to, it is a reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is a 1 by 2, then it is equal to minus 2. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that equals to, both are like fractions. Half plus half is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1 equals to 2 minus 2, that equals to 0. Ninth one. Find the value of log tan 1 degree plus log tan 2 degrees plus log tan 3 degrees plus and so on, plus log tan 89 degrees. Yes. Once look at the question. Find the value of log tan 1 degrees plus log tan 3 degrees plus and so on plus log tan 89 degrees. Okay, if you see this question, it's just like from the first question, real numbers, logarithm formulas, log x plus log y equals to log xy. That formula if you use, you can get the answer. Log x plus log y equals to log xy. Similarly, log tan 1 degree plus log tan 2 degrees plus log tan 3 degrees plus and so on, log tan 89 degrees. This implies log tan 1 into tan 2 degrees into tan 3 degrees into and so on, tan 89. And next term, log tan 1, tan 2, tan 3 I'm writing same as, and from the last tan 89, it is its complement is at chord 1. Tan 89, 88, its complement is at chord 2. Tan 87, its complement is a chord 3 degrees. Like I am writing here. Tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into and so on. Cot 3, cot 2, cot 1 degrees. Here we can get cancel all tan 1 and it is a reciprocal cot 1, and these also cancel and these also cancel, all will get cancelled. Then finally it will become 1, log 1, and we know log 1 to the any base is equals to 0. So finally it is equals to 0. If tan theta equals to 3 by 4, then cos theta plus sin theta equals to, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent side. So let I am taking right angle triangle here, A, B, C. At C I am taking theta. For this theta it is opposite and it is adjacent, and by using Pythagorean brackets 3, 4, 5 it becomes 5. Okay, now we require cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta, we know this is a ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse. Adjacent is a 4 and hypotenuse is 5, and sin theta equals to opposite to hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Substitute in that. Cos theta plus sin theta, 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, both are like fractions, we can add directly. It equals to 4 plus 3 is 7 by 5.